Good boy. Let's go this way. You're stuck. Here, come on. Come on. Let's push it this way. There you go. There you go. Is that fun? You're gonna crash into the chair. Let's turn it. Let's go that way. Let's go back this way. Can we go back this way? There you go. Come on, stand up. You done? Are you done? Are you gonna try to walk some more? Wanna try to walk some more? Or are you coming to get Grandma? Oh, you're gonna come get Grandma.